The Greenlee GT-16 Voltage Detector is a versatile tool, adjustable to safely detect power and voltage in a range of settings including outlets, lighting fixtures, power wiring, cables, and thermostats. This detector stands out for its non-contact design, which allows for safe detection of AC voltage without touching the bare conductor and even has the capability to find breaks in wires. The GT-16 voltage detector is battery-powered and thoughtfully includes one 1.5-volt AAA battery for use, while also providing a low battery indication to ensure the tool is always working properly. Impressively, it has a broad frequency range from 50 Hz to 500 Hz and a voltage rating from 5 volts to 1000 volts AC, making it highly adaptable for different tasks. The product boasts a variety of standard listings and compatibility, being SUSUL listed, CE listed, and Cat4 compatible at 1000 volts. Given its features and the reputation of the manufacturer, the GT-16 Voltage Detector is a reliable and professional tool for anyone working with electrical systems.